special 2015. Now let's get started with a soccer. First I'm going to kick there, and then I'm going to switch and kick the other direction. And do that same way. And after I do that same way, I'm going to do it only once. And after I do only once or twice or whatever I call it, I'm going to... And there's going to be not a lot of talking because there's not that much. Sorry if it was cheating. We're going to take a good start today. Make sure you like this and make sure you thumbs up it and like it and make sure you subscribe it too and follow me too. And follow me too.